Welcome once again everyone to our channel. Today we're going to be making some melon juice using our lemon pop tart and our Sugar Rush melon, and we're going to be adding some strawberries in one of our blends just to flavor it up. So sit back, get your ingredients, and let's get going. So you're going to need a lemon pop melon, and you're going to need a Sugar Rush Dream Melon. There you see I have some ginger, lime, and honey is optional. And then if you want to add any fruit, I added strawberry in one of my blend. And so we will have two different drink making today. So there you see I just cut the lemon pop, and then now I'm going to be cutting the Sugar Rush. The lemon drop is sweet and tart, like lemon and melon together. The texture is like honeydew or cantaloupe. They average about 3 pounds and they are high in citric acid content. These were made from natural crossbreeding. So like lemon drop is like the lemon drop candy, good source of vitamin C. It may reduce inflammation and boost collagen production. The Sugar Rush melts in your mouth, the one that you're looking at here, like butter, and dissolve on your tongue like sugar. It has some of the same benefits as the lemon pop. I was able to get these in HEB if you're interested. I don't know if you have those in wherever you're watching from, but these are from the cantaloupe and honeydew variety, but it's a special crossbreeding type. And as you can see, it's green like the lemon and the cantaloupe, but it has the tart and sweet taste together. So then we're going to be mixing those in my magic bullet. That's what I have to make just small portions. I have blended my ginger, and there you see I just added about a 1/4 teaspoon. You're just gonna add it to your liking, and then some lime juice, and then we're just gonna blend those. I hope everyone is having a good day. Remember to subscribe if you're new here, and if you are a returning subscriber, we thank you so much for watching, and we truly appreciate your support. And there is the consistency of our lemon pop. Now we're gonna be having the lemon pop with the Sugar Rush, and I have added my strawberries here, about 2 or 3, some lemon juice again, and ginger. Once I've added those, then we're going to be blending again. And look at that beautiful color that the strawberry has given. And I know you saw earlier how juicy these melons are. I know sometimes we get some products and it's not fully ripe, but this one was well ripe and gave us this lovely juice. And there you see the consistency. You can run it through a strainer if you want to remove the pulp, but I wanted the natural goodness for this hot summer. And there you see we have the 2 flavors that we've made. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and that you will once again subscribe, follow, share with your family and friends, and turn on that notification so you do not miss anything. And we will see you on the next video. Bye. Have a good day. Stay safe.